Okay. So, and just because you say it's a nature, that means people cannot do anything with it.
No, people can do something with it. Can predict and predict the temperature but people can make their best to reduce the destroyed and the people's dying.
For example, Sophia, what can you buy in the supermarket? For example, 10 boxes of what?
Boxes of milk.
And when you write it, like you need apples, bananas, potatoes, this is all, what is it?
Grocery list.
List, yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
everybody, please tell me. School bus, where is it going?
It's going
To school. Muhammad
It's
Bek
going
line.
to
Muhammad
school.
Bek line. Muhammad Bek line.
On the ground to school. On the ground to school.
Today, there are many animal-free in circuses around the world, world that entertain.
恭喜恭喜，恭喜恭喜，恭喜发财，新年好，恭喜恭喜，好事多多。耶！祝福大家新年好，我们唱歌，我们跳舞，祝福大家新年好。
在图片里，我看在图片里我。